Hi guys, Sully here, Shamrock Forge. I know here in the, it's been a long time since I put out a video. Weather has had a lot to do with that, as well as some unforeseen situations at work. I had to put away my smithy at work because they're going to resurface the yard, and it's supposed to be done at a certain time, and it's not done at a certain time. So I don't know how long it's going to be, but everything's put away until they get that project done. In the meantime, I'm at home on days off, and I'm doing some small Christmas projects, trying to get some stuff out of the way. All right, so that's it running right here, and I got a 40-pound cylinder, regulator, steel braided hose, going up to a Gamico burner, and then this is a 30-pound propane cylinder that I cut in half, and I added a 4-inch plate all the way around it. And the bottom half is completely level with fire brick and refractory. That's a level surface. And then I got this 4-inch section, and then the top has got, and all of it, the inside, other than the bottom, is coated with 2-inch Kaowool. So the top half has got it going around, this way, and then the sides have it going around that way. And then I got 2 little fire bricks there to block off the end, and I can make that smaller if I want to. But that's pretty much the gist of it. That's a 30-pound cylinder, and that one Gamico burner runs it hot enough to forge weld. The bricks are just stacked up here. I used to use them for closing off my little Hell's Forge, and they make a good little table. So in any case, that's the way this thing's set up, and she burns pretty good.
Okay, so here we go on our second attempt at a bottle opener made from 1/2-inch round taken to square, and it's already been squared up. The first attempt I screwed up royally. I was going to do an alligator twist, and I wound up cutting the grooves way too deep, and it was just completely trash. So I started all over with a new piece of 1/2-inch round, and at this point I've already taken it square, and I am hammering in, I don't know what you'd call it, a lip down at one end, hammering one end down flat, and so I can curve it over. And that's where we're at this point.
All right, square that in one heat.
Okay, right here, if you notice, I'm just kind of finishing up, and I'm tapering it just down to one side. I'm keeping the one side flat, and I'm just kind of trying to finish off that taper and get it all squared away.
All right, now I'll take this thing. It's got that little weird deal at the end there. I'm going to trim that off even, and then we'll go from there. Oh, going the wrong way. Okay. Now we're going to flip it around and do the other side. And in case you didn't notice, I've done this twice.
Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward taper. Just doing a 2-sided taper, bringing this thing down to a point, and towards the end I'll kind of get it where it's evened out. But for right now I can just do it from 2 sides, and everything works out fine. So just finish it up, get it down as close as I can. I'll need one more heat to get it where it needs to be. So in the interest of conservation of time, I didn't video cutting the grooves down the length of the stock or the grooves in the corners of it for the Rubik's twist. I went ahead and did that off camera and then just bring it over here to the vise for the twist. And that's what you'll see here. Just going to twist it up, kind of get everything where it's oriented right. And I haven't done the curl on the end yet. That way I don't have to worry about which direction the curl is facing while I'm doing the twist. I can just get the twist the way I like it and go from there. Right there's about where we need to be. And damn lighting on this side of the carport. Rubik's twist. I'll show it to you on the other side. All right, so now we're going to come out for the final little touch. All right. Now we'll just brush the ever-living crap out of it. Turn it around, do the same thing to the other side. I got the scale, it's just not coming off on it. I might read it. So here I'm just doing the final cleanup, doing some brushing and kind of straightening it out with the mallet made by the Rusty Hubcap Forge. Alan Schooner. Really enjoy that thing. It's a pretty decent mallet. Held together pretty good for me so far, but I haven't really wailed on it. I've just been straightening out some stuff when it's a little bit tweaked. And so yeah, just gonna get some wire brushing done, get all that scale off of there, and get it ready to put some blacksmith paste on it, which is just a little mixture of different stuff, beeswax and boiled linseed oil, Johnson's paste wax, and turpentine. And stuff soaks in pretty good as the heat starts coming down, and gives it that nice black finish. And there we have it. One bottle opener. Rubik's twist. Yep. Good to go. All right, guys. So in my head, this was going to be a video on doing a bunch of Christmas presents. I was planning on doing 5 or 6 different things and putting it all in one video, but it turns out just one thing took up almost the whole time. So, it's just another bottle opener. I'm going to see if I can compress the other stuff together and get it out in one more. So until next time, keep on forging on.